This video will show you how to access print books and DVDs housed in the Boyd Library and academic libraries in the North Carolina Community College system. Begin by going to the Sandhills Community College homepage and scroll down to the red library book icon on the right side of the page below the military section. Students can access this page by clicking the Student Resources tab in the gray bar at the top of the Sandhills Community College homepage. Scroll down to the pictures that are listed alphabetically. Boyd Library is the last picture in the second row. Once you are viewing Boyd Library's homepage, click the Library Catalog icon located in the center of the page. This will take you to the basic search page of the library's catalog. Starting from the left, the search box will allow you to enter text. The scroll box next to it will allow you to search by type. Keyword tends to be a very broad search based on the subject matter of what you are looking for. You can also search for title, author, subject, or series. Subject is less broad than a keyword search. You can also search by format, which can also be very helpful in pinpointing types of library materials. Additionally, journal title is not a valid type in Boyd Library's collection. The library's periodical selections rely heavily on academic database subscriptions for retrieving full-text articles from journals, magazines, and newspapers. Searching by library defaults to Sandhills Community College. You can search other libraries by scrolling to the top of the box. Select North Carolina Community College's Evergreen to search all of them at once. Searching them individually can be rather tedious. To demonstrate how this works, let's use the keyword dogs and conduct a very broad search. At the top of the page, the Sort Results box has many options for specific narrowing of your search results. This particular search resulted in 946 hits and will vary depending on your keyword search. The first result has the keyword dogs highlighted in green. It also lists some descriptive information such as author, call number, publisher, ISBN, edition, and a physical description that includes number of pages. Under location, you can see that the book belongs to Sandhills Community College Library and is housed in the general collection. It can be checked out for 3 weeks. The call number is located on the lower spine of the book and is needed to find it on the shelf. The first 2 lines of the call number describe the subject of the book. In this case, SF426 tells us that the book is about dogs. The third line with P317 gives us detail about the author, whose last name is Page. The fourth line is the publication year. The call number scheme aligns with the Library of Congress classification system. Although there is more detail in the call number, it is quite helpful in academic research. To get a more detailed status on the book, click on the title, which is hyperlinked. On the next screen, click More Details in the red box. This will give you the ISBN and other descriptors such as table of contents. The information in the gray tabs is not always provided. By clicking Shelf Browser, you can browse titles of like items that are shelved nearby. For more information on using the library catalog, please click the Contact Us link, which is the third link over from the Sandhills Community College logo at the very top of the page.